How to change username in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you want to change your username or your player name in Raid Shadow Legends game, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, make sure that you're inside the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device. You can do it on your mobile device or your tablets or even your iPads. Once you're inside this homepage, go ahead and click on your current avatar at the top left corner, and this will open up the player profile section. Go to the bottom of the player profile section and tap on the pencil button right next to player ID and enter your preferred name on the next page. Once you are done, click on confirm and you have successfully changed your player name on Raid Shadow Legends. Make sure that you choose a unique name and you'll be able to add a new name on your profile. So that is how you easily do it. Now your new username will reflect on your profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.